The bluefin tuna, an apex predator, a living torpedo, and the ultimate test for any angler. With their streamlined bodies and explosive speed, these fish are built for survival in the vast, unpredictable ocean. These giants are not just fish, they're legends, inspiring tales of epic battles and unmatched strength. Every encounter with a bluefin becomes a story retold for generations, a testament to the fish's power and the angler's resolve. To pursue them is to answer an ancient call, to seek connection with the wildest part of the ocean. It's a journey that begins long before the first cast, rooted in a deep respect for the sea and its mysteries. Our journey began with a spark of ambition, fueled by stories and the promise of the Pacific's vast blue. The anticipation was electric, each sunrise bringing us closer to the unknown. Preparation was intense, charts studied, gear checked, anticipation building with every passing day. Every knot tied and every lure chosen was a step toward the moment of truth, when preparation would meet opportunity. Standing at the edge of this adventure, salt spray on our faces, we knew the moment had come. The ocean stretched before us, vast and unpredictable, daring us to test our limits. The bluefin is a marvel, warm-blooded, powerful, able to cross oceans and dive to crushing depths. Its endurance is legendary, its instincts honed by millions of years of evolution. To hook one is to feel raw, untamed energy, a brutal ballet of strength and will. The rod bends, the reel screams, and every muscle is tested in a contest that can last for hours. This isn't a lazy day by the river, it's a primal struggle against one of nature's most formidable creations. The ocean throws its own challenges, towering waves, shifting winds, and the relentless pull of the fish below. Why do we do it? It's more than landing a fish, it's the pursuit of the extraordinary. It's about pushing ourselves beyond comfort, chasing moments that few ever experience. It's about testing ourselves against a creature of immense power and prestige. Each battle is a measure of our skill, patience, and respect for the ocean's wild inhabitants. It's about forging a connection with the wild heart of the ocean. Out here, we are reminded of our place in the natural world, small, humbled, and grateful. To feel that strength through the line, to witness the majesty of a bluefin, leaves a mark on the soul. It's a memory that lingers, a reminder of the ocean's power and beauty. The ocean beckons, and we answer. Not for the catch, but for the challenge. Each trip is a leap into the unknown, a test of courage and determination. This is the adventure we seek. It's a quest for meaning, for connection, and for the thrill that only the wild ocean can provide. Our vessel, the Ocean Wanderer, was no luxury yacht. She was a battle-scarred, seaworthy craft built for the Pacific's fury. Her hull bore the marks of countless journeys, each scar a testament to storms weathered and challenges overcome. For 72 hours, she would be our home, our fortress, and our only hope against the giants that lurked beneath the waves. Every inch of her deck was a stage for the drama that was about to unfold. Captain Mike, weathered and wise, read the ocean's moods like a book. His eyes scanned the horizon, searching for subtle signs in the wind and water that only years at sea could teach. Deckhand Dave, strong and quick, was ready for any chaos the bluefin could bring. His hands moved with practiced precision, never hesitating, always prepared for the unexpected. Together we formed a tight crew, each relying on the other's skill and grit. Trust was our unspoken language, forged by long nights and shared victories at sea. Our gear was an arsenal, rods like saplings, reels built for war, hooks sharp as razors. Every tool was designed to withstand the power of the ocean's fiercest predators. Every piece was chosen for strength and reliability. Failure was not an option. We checked and double-checked our equipment, knowing that a single weak link could mean disaster. We launched from San Diego, leaving city lights for the endless blue. The hum of the engine faded into the rhythm of the waves as the city disappeared behind us. The water deepened, the horizon stretched, and freedom mingled with anticipation. Each mile from shore brought a sense of adventure and a hint of danger. What secrets did the Pacific hold? We were determined to find out, driven by curiosity and the thrill of the unknown. The Ocean Wanderer pressed on, a tiny speck in a vast wilderness. Out here we were at the mercy of the elements, dwarfed by the immensity of the sea. Our fate was tied to the sea, and we were ready for whatever it would bring. Every challenge was a test of our resolve and our unity as a crew. The hunt had truly begun. With hearts pounding and eyes fixed on the horizon, we cast our lines into the unknown, ready to face the giants of the deep. Modern tuna hunting is a blend of technology and tradition. Our sonar was our window into the deep, revealing baitfish clouds and the telltale marks of bluefin below. Chumming, casting a slick of chopped bait, laid down a scent trail, luring giants from the blue. Trolling came next, lures and baits mimicking fleeing prey, lines set at varying depths, covering as much water as possible. The process was hypnotic, lines humming, lures swaying, eyes scanning for any sign of a strike. But it wasn't just about gadgets. Instinct mattered. Reading diving birds, agitated water, and the presence of dolphins was crucial. Captain Mike's experience was our secret weapon. He saw what others missed. Hours could pass in silence, patience tested by the empty horizon. The hunt was meticulous, sometimes maddening, always demanding. Science gave us tools, but the ocean kept its secrets well. Success required both data and gut feeling. In this pursuit, patience was our greatest ally. Hours of waiting then, chaos, the reel screamed, shattering the calm. Fish on. Instantly the boat became a flurry of action, no hesitation, just pure adrenaline. The bluefin's first run was explosive, line vanishing as the rod bent to its limit. It felt like hooking a runaway freight train. Teamwork was everything. The angler held on, Captain Mike maneuvered, Dave cleared lines and readied the gaff. Every move mattered. A single mistake could mean heartbreak. The battle was brutal, a test of strength and resolve. Slowly the fish tired, flashes of silver appearing in the deep. Tension mounted as the bluefin neared the boat. With a final effort we brought the giant aboard, gleaming, magnificent, awe-inspiring. Relief and respect washed over us. The first battle was won, but the ocean's challenge was far from over. Each victory was hard-earned, each moment unforgettable. This was why we came, to face the giants and feel truly alive. The fight had only just begun. Day 2 brought a new challenge. Stormy skies loomed overhead, casting a heavy shadow across the restless ocean. The gentle swell we'd grown used to was gone, replaced by rolling waves that tossed the boat from side to side, making every movement a struggle. The wind whipped cold spray across the deck, stinging our faces and soaking our gear. Fishing became a battle against the elements. Every task demanded more effort and focus. The tuna vanished, likely diving deep to escape the turmoil above, leaving us scanning the empty water. Hours dragged by, marked only by the boat's relentless motion and the pounding of rain on the deck. The howl of the wind drowned out our voices. The excitement of the previous day faded, replaced by a quiet, stubborn determination. This was the true test, not just of skill but of spirit and teamwork. We checked knots, swapped lures, and tried to keep our spirits up. We experimented with different depths, refusing to give in to frustration. Captain Mike kept a close eye on the shifting weather while Dave secured loose gear to prevent it from being swept away. Each of us found small tasks to keep busy, fighting off fatigue and discouragement. We all conserved energy, knowing the storm could last for hours. Conversation dwindled to a few words. Hope flickered, but never died. The ocean reminded us we were only visitors, subject to its moods and power. Despite the discomfort and silence, quitting was never an option. The sea dictated the terms. We adapted, endured, and waited for any sign of change. We scanned the water, watched the sonar, and listened for any hint of a break in the weather. We kept our baits in play, refusing to let the storm defeat us. The challenge had intensified, but so had our resolve. The storm was a test of our limits, and we would not break, no matter how long it raged. Just as hope waned, the sonar erupted, a massive school of bluefin below. Instantly fatigue vanished, replaced by adrenaline. 3 reels screamed at once, triple hookup. Chaos reigned, lines crossed, boots thudded, shouts filled the air. Captain Mike maneuvered, Dave grabbed rods, and the deck became a battleground. We landed one tuna, then another, each a testament to the ocean's bounty. But the sea doesn't give up its treasures easily. One fish snapped the line, another straightened a hook, heartbreak and frustration. For every victory, a reminder of the bluefin's power. The frenzy lasted less than an hour, but it felt like eternity. Fish after fish, a blur of effort and emotion. The school moved on, leaving us breathless and aching. The ocean's life was vibrant, wild and fleeting. Triumph and disappointment mingled, fueling our respect for these giants. The hunt was relentless, the memories indelible. We were left in awe, reminded of the ocean's unpredictable gifts. As dusk settled, calm returned to the ocean wanderer. Exhausted but satisfied, we gathered for a simple meal. freshly caught tuna, seared and savored. There's nothing like eating what you've fought for surrounded by the sea. Conversation flowed, stories of chaos, triumph, and the ones that got away. No bravado, just respect for the bluefin and the challenges faced. The ocean's power put everything in perspective, teaching humility and patience. Under a canopy of stars, reflection came easily. These quiet moments were as vital as the battles themselves. The final morning dawned clear and full of hope, our last chance for glory. Every movement was deliberate, every piece of gear checked with care. Captain Mike guided us over promising waters, eyes sharp for any sign. The odds were long, but hope was strong. Then, a slow, powerful pull on the heaviest rod. This was no ordinary fish. The reel ticked over, tension building. "Big fish," Dave whispered, eyes wide. I strapped in, heart pounding. This was the battle we dreamed of. The fight was epic. The tuna dove deep, using its weight and power. For over an hour it was a brutal tug-of-war, muscles burning, sweat pouring. Inch by inch the giant came closer, the crew working in perfect sync. Finally a colossal shape appeared, a true monster. With a final effort we brought the bluefin alongside. Victory was ours, hard-earned, unforgettable. The journey had led to this moment. The ocean had given us its ultimate prize. With the giant bluefin aboard, respect and gratitude filled the deck. Processing such a fish is an art. Every step deliberate, every cut honoring its sacrifice. Bleeding and filleting were done swiftly, preserving the quality of the prized loins. Nothing was wasted, even the collars and belly meat were treasured. Sashimi, seared steaks, tartare, each preparation celebrated the bluefin's flavor. Sharing this bounty was a fitting end, a reminder of the connection between hunt and sustenance. The ocean's generosity demanded responsibility and care. This journey was about more than the thrill. It was about respect for the wild. The cycle of life in the ocean had come full circle. We left with full hearts, forever changed by the adventure.